Okay guys, what's up? I'm new to this, but I'm about to put on some noobs in Black Ops 2. You can watch me if you want to, but... Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's start off with Core Team Deathmatch. As you can see, is my emblem. Playing a raid. Fun map. Look at this guy, he's only a 17. I kill teammates. Oh, game starting. Wish me luck. I'm at the phone some noobs. This might be kind of funny because I might lose. Because I'm kind of rusty. But just choose.
Team Deathmatch. Let's go, ladies. We're on the clock.